In this video, we are taking the second part, that's part 2 of digital transformation and change management, and we'll be looking at the key learning areas. And the emphasis is on what is, how it is covered, and why it matters. The slide outlines the first workshop topics, talking of understanding digital transformation, digital banking trend, bank one, and benefit of digital banking. There we outline meanings of concepts. As we can see, a fundamental shift in how banking services are rendered and covered and experienced. Okay, there we outline meaning of concepts. We looked at current banking trends. We examine the benefits of digital banking for both customer and the bank. Okay, and the purpose is to help participants understand what is changing, how and why these changes occur, and how important they are. In this slide, we are looking at the importance of people and why they must get involved in digital transformation. The organization must reposition itself. And one of the reasons is that they must adopt technology to deliver results. The slide focus on people and why they must get involved in the transformation. There also, facts are presented on how employee can adapt to new technology processes and responsibility. We also emphasize from this slide on the need of creating a digital culture that encourages innovation and flexibility. This slide reinforces that transformation is a shared responsibility and that individual ownership is essential in achieving the workshop goal. So we can see that individual participation is necessary. The organizational change is involved. Building a digital culture is a necessity. Then employee must participate. It requires a hands-on approach, and that is part of the reason why we come around to not just to uh, sell a product, but to also create awareness as to how the firm needs it. In this slide, we are looking at, still on the key learning area, we are looking at how the bank can sustain digital transformation after implementation. The bank will consider the value of continuous improvement, talking about this training is not just a one-off training, it should be sustained. We also consider the value of continuous improvement, teamwork, and collaboration between departments. Okay. We also review best practices that can be applied in daily work. The main message is that digital transformation should become part of the bank's normal working culture rather than remain a one-time projects. Our objective is we want this to be sustained. We want this to be sustained. So it requires innovation and continuous improvement. Of course, in the process of use, some things will be figured out. Collaboration across departments is necessary if it must work and benefit the bank optimally. Then the bank practices in digital banking, the best practice also must be embraced. Okay, if it must benefit the bank optimally. Thank you.